Hey there, I'm Tarun from CopperX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start accepting recurring payments in crypto using the power of Superfluid. So let's get started. To accept recurring payments, first we need to create a plan. So I'll head over to Billing tab in CopperX dashboard to create a plan. Let's name my plan as Pro Subscription, which allows an exclusive access to my premium articles to the users. I'll set $1 per month as a price for this plan. Once I create a plan, it will be visible in the plan dashboard. I can click these three dots to create a payment link. I can collect more details like name and email so that I can mail the user whenever my new article is ready. Let's create a link. I can share this link over email, Telegram, or WhatsApp to the user. This is how the payment page looks like. User has an option to make a payment in Polygon USDC. Let's click continue. There are two steps in the payment process. In the first step, user will allow an access to their tokens to the Superfluid protocol. And in the second step, user will make a payment. Let's click start subscription. I'll need to approve the transaction in my MetaMask. By the way, I can also customize the payment page. I can set my logo and brand color for this page so that it looks like it's coming from my business. Once the payment is successful, I can see the success page. Let's see how it looks like in our dashboard. I'll head over to billing and active subscription. This is a subscription that I just started. I can see more details like price, month, customer details, and transaction hash in here. I can also see the number of transactions that happened in this subscription. Let's see how it looks like in Superfluid dashboard. For example, the stream has already started, and that's it. So we just saw how easy it is to start accepting recurring payments within just 2 minutes in crypto. I'm excited what you will be building with CopperX recurring billing. Thank you so much for watching the video.